testing word. In this session, we are going to cover group by. Group by is used when we want to display data in the form of groups. We can take some examples like I want to display number of employees under each manager, or I want to display number of employees in the different departments. With group by, we can use having. We are going to use this having in the later part of the session. Moving to my database, I'm first selecting all the data from the employee table. So here it displays all the data from my table. So here we can see all the employees belongs to some department. So here we can see Smith belongs to department 20 and John is also belong to the department 20. We can make grouping on the behalf of the department number and we can check how many employees are in the different department. So I'm going to use select DEPTNO, and then I want to count the number of employees. So I mention count from EMP. Group by, I want to make the grouping on the department number. So here I execute this, and here we can see we have the three departments 10, 20 and 30, and we have number of employees 3, 5 and 6. So here we have made the grouping on the behalf of department number. We can use having. Having is used after creating the group. So once the group is created, and if we want to make any condition like I want to display the department only if the number of employees are more than 4. So I'm making condition having count star means the number of employees. It is counting the number of employees. If my count is more than 4, then only display the result. So here we can see it display only 2 groups because in 2 groups we have more than 4 employees. So we can use having with the group by. Having is going to work only after making the group. So first it will create the group and we can make having on the group data. I'm going to take one more example in which, so first I'm selecting all the data from the table. So here we can see we have complete data of the table. I want to make group on the behalf of job. I want to check how many employees are doing a particular job. So I'm going over here, select count star from EMP, and here I want to make the grouping on the behalf of job. So I write the job column I want to display, then count I want to display for the each of the job from EMP, group by job. So I executed this, and here we can see we have the different job like analyst, we have the 2, clerk we have 4, manager 3 and few more jobs. I want to display only the groups where number of employees are more than 1. So I can mention having count star is more than 1. So it will display only 4 groups where my count is more than 1. For the interview point of view, sometimes they ask, can we use where and group by both? So answer is yes. We can use where and group by with having in a single query. First, we can write like select star from employee where salary is more than 1000. So what it's going to do, it will pick all the data from the table where salary is more than 1000. Then it is going to create a group. So I'm writing group by job. So it will create a group on the behalf of job. So executed this, and here we can see we are getting groups on the behalf of job and we are getting number of employees. Now I want to filter the data after making the group. Where is filtering the data before making the group? having is filtering the data after creating the group. So here having count star is more than 2. Only the groups where number of employees are more than 2 will be displayed over here. So we have seen that in a single query we can use where as well as having. Where is going to work before making the group. Having is going to work after making the group. Having is working on the group data. Where is working on the table data. Thanks for watching this video.